Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing power and keycaps so you can see the cable entry. This prevents shorting and gives clear access. Once done, loosen screws and carefully open the case, keeping track of fasteners and taking photos for orientation. Make sure to identify whether the cable is soldered to the PCB or in a connector. That determines whether you'll desolder, replace, or re-terminate the wire. You're aiming to expose the damaged section quickly and safely. You'll now decide the repair method. For external frays, strip back 5 to 8 mm, tin exposed conductors, slide on appropriately sized heat shrink, and solder quickly to restore conductivity. If the break is at a solder joint, desolder the old connection, trim oxidized wire, re-tin both surfaces, and solder ensuring solid mechanical contact. For internal braid or connector failure, replace the whole cable assembly or install a pigtail. This avoids repeated failures and restores shielding and strain relief. You finish by reinstalling the case and keycaps while ensuring strain relief is seated so the repaired section won't flex. Then test continuity with a multimeter across relevant pins and plug the keyboard into a computer to verify functionality and key mapping. If things go wrong, recheck solder joints for cold joints, confirm continuity through shielding, and inspect PCB traces for lifted pads. If needed, replace the cable assembly or consult a replacement PCB connector. Make adjustments until reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.